Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a quick weave wig. This is the hair that I'm using. I dyed this hair previously. I will drop the link below. So when I make my wigs, this is how I make them nowadays. I don't really sew anything on but the closure. I put the plastic bag on my head to protect my hair from the glue. So anyways, the first thing I do, I'll go ahead and sew my closure on. If you want me to do a video on how I sew my closure on, I can do that. But as for now, I've already did it and I've already added my elastic band. So this hair I've used probably 3 or 4 times. I have a story time. I bought this hair for $1. I'll list the story time below so you guys can find out how I got this hair. So first I'm just showing you guys how I add the track to the back. Now this whole style is probably about 3 bundles. I actually doubled the tracks, and when you double the track without sewing, what you do is you just glue the tracks together to make them double. I'll explain that a little bit more later in the video. So that's what I do when I get my bundles now and I make a wig. I just go ahead and double them by using the 24 second bond glue. I think that's what it's called. It works really good and it's really durable. So as you can see, I just started filling in the back. And when you double your tracks, you can spread them out a little bit further because, I mean, it's more hair that you're putting in one spot, if that makes sense. And when you're doing a quick weave wig, like it really makes the process go easier. This cap that I'm using is an extra large dome cap. I use the dome cap and the mesh dome cap. They're both really good, but when you glue your weave to a cap, like for real, it makes your weave sticks so much longer. And we're using a 24 second bond glue. It does hold very good. You can wash it, and I wash my hair plenty of time, my wigs plenty of time, and the bundles do not come out. So in this next clip, this is how I fold my tracks, and I fold my tracks like this, and then just add glue to the tracks, and that's how I double them. And so yeah, I'm just gonna continue to finish. I used to make my wigs and like actually sew the bundles on, but if you have dreads, like your dreads grow quick, and like if I sew it on, I'm gonna have to re-sew it because my head is getting bigger because my locks are growing and it's more hair that I have to fit under my wig. So this method is just really quick and it works really good for me. When I make wigs for like my clients, I do go ahead and still sew the bundles on, but this is just a quick and easy method and it lasts a long time. Like I did state before, girl, you don't have to worry about anything. So y'all, just gonna finish filling in the top and then we'll go from there. So this is how it looks once I'm done. And I have a spray bottle here. I'm going to put water in it and then my Mane and Tail Deep Moisturized Conditioner. I'm going to spray the hair with it. And then, because I want it wavy for tomorrow, so I'm going to do like a little braid out on it. Once I spray the water, I'm just going to brush it through with my Denman brush, which I need to get a new one. And I'm going to do 4 braids. So I'm going to do 2 small ones in like my bang area because I want it to be more wavy in my bang area. So I'm gonna part that area off and do a braid, and then after that I'm gonna, well, the back is already parted, so I'm just gonna put a braid on the back side as well. So I'm gonna have 2 small braids in the front, 2 big braids on the back. So I did let it sit overnight, and then the next morning I'm just gonna take it down like this. And you guys, we'll see how wavy it is. I kind of like, well, I do like the wavy braid out look because it's fluffy and it's like super easy. It's easy style. So yeah, So this is how it ends up looking. I'm going to add a little concealer to that part, girl. Just a little bit. Alright, and this is how it turned out. Don't forget to watch the video on how I dyed this hair. I'll link it below. And also how I was able to purchase these 3 bundles and a closure for $1. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also. And go ahead and hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.